Hey everybody, let's talk posture. It's something we often overlook, but it's crucial for our overall well-being. Or should I say, the lack of it. We've all been there, slouching without even realizing it. You're scrolling through your phone, completely engrossed in the latest dance challenge or catching up on social media. Suddenly, you realize you're practically folded in half like a human pretzel. Your neck hurts, your back aches, and you feel like you've aged 10 years in just a few minutes. You look like you lost your best friend, and it's all because of poor posture. Don't worry, we've all been there. It's a common issue, but one we can definitely fix.
It's so easy to fall into bad posture habits, especially when we're focused on work or entertainment. We sit at desks all day, often without taking breaks to stretch or move around. We stare at our phones for hours, completely absorbed in the digital world. We basically turn into human question marks, with our spines curved and our heads hanging low. But good posture is super important, you guys. It affects not just how we look, but also how we feel. It's not just about appearances, although standing tall does make you look and feel more confident. Good posture can improve your mood, energy levels, and even your overall health.
Good posture is like a superpower. It can boost your mood, your confidence, and even your energy levels. Think about it. When you stand tall, you feel good. You radiate confidence. You look like you could conquer the world.
But when you're slumped over, you just feel blah. It's like your body is telling your brain to be sad. Don't let your posture boss you around. Stand up straight and show your body who's in charge. Okay, enough about the why. We all know how important it is to stay active and healthy. Let's get to the fun part. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. It can be enjoyable and something to look forward to. Improving your posture is easier than you think. Good posture not only makes you look confident, but also helps reduce back and neck pain. And no, you don't have to walk around with a book balanced on your head. There are simpler and more effective ways to improve your posture.
Here are a few simple exercises you can do every day to keep your body in top shape and your posture perfect. Shoulder rolls. Imagine you're trying to touch your ears with your shoulders. This exercise helps to release tension in your neck and shoulders. Roll them up, back, and down. Make sure to do this slowly and with control to get the best results. Do this a few times a day, especially if you've been hunched over your computer. It's a great way to break up long periods of sitting.
Chin tucks. This one's great for your neck. It helps to strengthen the muscles at the front of your neck. Gently tuck your chin towards your chest, like you're giving yourself a double chin. This might feel a bit funny, but it's very effective. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat a few times. This exercise can help alleviate neck strain from looking down at your phone or computer.
Wall stands. Find a wall and stand with your back flat against it. This exercise helps to align your spine and improve your overall posture. Make sure your heels, butt, shoulders and head are all touching the wall. This might feel a bit awkward at first, but it's very beneficial. Pretend you're a superhero getting ready to fly. This not only makes the exercise fun, but also helps you engage your core muscles. Section 4. Posture power-ups sneak in good posture habits. Good posture is essential for overall health and well-being, and it can be easier to achieve than you think.
You can improve your posture without even thinking about it. By incorporating small changes into your daily routine, you can make a big difference.
Here are a few sneaky tips that can help you maintain good posture throughout the day.
Phone a friend. Instead of looking down at your phone, hold it up higher. This simple adjustment can prevent neck strain and keep your spine aligned. It's like you're gossiping with your phone, but in a good posture kind of way. Your neck and back will thank you for it.
Be a starfish. When you're sitting down, imagine you're a starfish. This means spreading out and taking up space. Spread your arms and legs out wide, taking up lots of space. This will naturally encourage you to sit up straighter and more confidently. This will help you sit up straighter and feel more balanced.
Walk like you own it. Imagine you're on a runway strutting your stuff. This mental image can boost your confidence and improve your posture. Walk with your head held high and your shoulders back. You're a star. Embrace your inner model and let your posture reflect your confidence.
Section 5. Embrace your inner superhero. Stand tall and conquer the world.
So there you have it. Improving your posture is easier than you think.
And trust me, your body will thank you for it.
So go ahead, stand tall, embrace your inner superhero, and conquer the world.
Just try not to laugh too hard when you catch yourself doing the phone gossip move. We've all been